Got your toothbrush, nobody knows us. In the car like staying up all night, waiting in head time. Then we gon' sleep in me with no makeup, you in the bed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. Basically, I uploaded a picture of that today, and by the time you guys see this video, it would have been yesterday. But I uploaded the picture and I was getting like a lot of DMs about people asking me, can you do a tutorial on this look, or is there a tutorial? But there wasn't, so I decided I wanted to just make a tutorial of it to show you guys how I got that look. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, what products I used, and all that good stuff, then make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment on this video, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm zoomed in for y'all so that y'all can see, like, you know, more close up. So basically all I did was put some concealer on put some really like thick concealer on my lids, because I need my lids to be like as white as possible to make this color show up really good. So first things first, I'm going to go in with the transition shade, and that is from this Tarte palette, and it is going to be the color, I'm going to take the color Sweetheart, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade first. Okay, so for my next color, I'm going to take this green shade down here from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm going to buff this lower down, like towards my lid. So now I'm going to take this green color right here from this VH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to use this to blend out the edges. So now I'm going to take a black shade from the Tarte Lip Pro palette, and it is called Punk, and I'm going to put this on the outer corners. And this is how I got like that halo looking effect that I showed y'all. So now I'm going to take this Ofra Emerald Green pigment, and I'm going to use this right on the center where you see like that little bit of green at. I'm going to use this to kind of like make it pop a little bit more in the middle. I'm going to spray my brush real quick. So now I'm going to just take the same green from the NYX palette and use that underneath my waterline. For my brow bone, I'm going to take this highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and it's in the color Goddess of Faith, and I'm going to put this right on my brow bone and lighten this up. Okay, and so for this look, I didn't do a winged eyeliner, so I'm not going to do one now. I'm going to just put on some lashes real quick, and I'm going to come back to y'all to finish the rest of my face. So I'll be right back. My lashes on, and I'm going to start on my face. So I'm going to be taking my Farcelli, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I still don't know if I'm saying it right. These drops right here. I'm going to be taking these drops right here, and I'm going to use these as a primer for my skin. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty and my CoverGirl True Match Foundation to mix to get the perfect color for me, because this one's a little bit too dark and this one's a little bit too light. So we're gonna mix these and make this work. I'm gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm gonna just blend all this in. Then using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm gonna conceal everything else. So I'm going to set all of that with some Airspun setting powder. Then I'm going to set some foundation powder in the color Mocha, and I'm going to contour my face real quick while that is all baking up. And then using the same brush, I'm going to dust away all that excess powder. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and I'm going to use that to kind of just blend everything else together. So I'm going to just put that on that same brush and just go over my entire face with it. And this is another trick. This is a little trick that I've been doing lately just to help everything blend in together. I'm going to set my face with my favorite setting spray, my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fix Spray. To highlight my face, we're going to be using the same highlighter that I used on my brow bone, which is the Makeup Revolution highlighter. And I'm going to just put this right on my cheeks. So now for my lips, I'm going to just take a regular brown lip liner. And then I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee, and I'm going to just put this right on the center of my lips. And so this is the finished look, y'all. And thank y'all guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave some comments in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.